Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inspecting where the shoe sways and why. Check sole wear, heel collapse, and loose stitching. Clean the affected area with isopropyl alcohol so adhesives bond. Remove insoles and insert a shoe tree to hold shape. Once done, sand rough surfaces lightly to key the glue, then lay out shims and adhesive. Make sure to use proper ventilation. This first phase sets the fix's durability, so be deliberate and tidy before moving into structural repairs. Next, address the structural causes. If the shoe tilts, insert a 0.52 mm shim under the insole at the low side to rebalance the foot. Apply flexible adhesive to any separated sole or heel seam, pressing edges together and clamping for 15 to 30 minutes. Follow glue instructions. If the heel counter is weak, add a firm insert or heel cup to prevent inward collapse. Test by standing and walking a few steps. Adjust shims until the shoe feels stable and even. Finish by trimming any excess adhesive and reinstalling the insole. Relace the shoe snugly and walk 10 to 20 minutes to confirm stability. If you still feel sway, try a thicker shim or an added heel cup and test again. Sometimes 2 small adjustments are better than 1 big change. If rocking continues after fixes, seek professional resoling or heel rebuild. That indicates structural wear. Troubleshooting tip: if glue fails, clean surfaces again and use a stronger, flexible adhesive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.